Good morning. Hey, I woke up at like 6 in the morning by a doctor wanting to talk about my ovaries, and it's just great. I don't know why, but they gotta do what they gotta do, and I gotta do what I gotta do, which is sleep and rest, but they ain't making it easy over here. Today is day 3 in the hospital, and I am feeling okay about it. I miss my dog, mostly, and my guitar. I think I have to sneeze, but I don't think it's gonna come out. My lips are really dry this morning. I don't know if you can see that, but they gave me some petroleum jelly to put on them. Yeah. Also, it hurts to pee. This all might be TMI, but I really don't think it is, because it's all medical stuff. And like I said, a lot of people in like medical stuff, they like learning about it. They like seeing it from the eyes of the patient. And that's just what's going on. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon. It's about like my imaginary watch. It's like 7:20, 7:15 right now. But we'll see. Oh, look at that bruise. Well, okay. But yeah. Peace. Okay, so here's all my makeup. There's me. I'm going to be doing my makeup. I just drank some chicken broth, so I'm hoping that it stays down. I feel really gross, but it's okay. Okay, so I'm gonna be starting off with doing my makeup by using this True Match color. I think it's translucent powder. Just putting that all over my face with the powder puff. Just to absorb some oil. Okay, I'm all powdered up. Love this thing. Next, I'm going to be doing brows. I'm using the Benefit Gimme Brow Mascara. I have the new cat scratch, so I just skipped that part. I'm doing the other brow. I love this stuff so much. Next, I'm going to be doing my eyes. I'm going to be curling my lashes. Okay. Next, I'm going to be putting some highlighter in the corner of my eyes. Okay, that's highlighted. Next I'm going to be putting, oh, this was Wet n Wild highlighter, by the way. Next I'm going to be using the Better Than Sex mascara. I don't know how I feel about this mascara. Like, it's good, but like, it's too hype, I think. Sorry, it's probably a gross angle. How are you guys doing? I am doing pretty good. I think I'm getting prom pose too soon, which I'm really excited about because this kid is really nice. And I've never been to prom. And I've just been absolutely dying to go. Literally dying to go. I'm not gonna do the bottom lashes because I might take a nap and I might like rub it. Next I'm going to be using 2 BH Cosmetics brushes. This one's for blush, this one's for contour. As you can see, I'm going to be going in with my Hoola bronzer. Just a regular shade. And contouring. When you contour, you want to go to the top of your ear down. A little bit on my nose. A little bit down here. A little bit up here. It's very light. Then next I'm in with my Milani blush in Romantic Rose. This is number 1. And if I can open it, I'll show you what it looks like. It's really pretty. It's like this rose texture, if you can see. I'm just going in with a little bit of that. Tapping off the excess. I don't need that much color because I don't have foundation on, so I'm not like pale or anything. Perfect. And then I'm going in with my highlighter. I'm going right on my cheekbones. I don't have a brush for this, so bear with me here. And highlighting my Cupid's bow. And then I'm using Plump Up Your Pucker The Balm lip gloss in the shade I don't know which one I'm using it. Take down some more hair. And this is the final look. Big ass forehead. I love it though. Thanks for watching. Oh, I just got really lightheaded. Life with Pots. This is it. Bye.